Everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are making healthy mango kulfi. It's very delicious. You need to try this without any guilt in this summer. So let's start our recipe. We need fresh mango puree and we sieve this so that there is no strings left in the puree and our kulfi is coming great. Now I am using homemade curds. It's about 3/4 cup. It's very delicious recipe. Now I am using 4 teaspoons of honey because we are making without sugar, so I am using honey here for giving a healthy touch. Now mix it with the curd properly. Now I am using 1 teaspoon of mixed seeds. It's optional but it's very healthy. You need to try this. It's seeds. It's very healthy and delicious. That's it. Now we are already ready our molds. We are adding 1 teaspoon of mango puree and 1 teaspoon of curd and 1 teaspoon of mango puree and 1 teaspoon of curd. All the molds like this, and yes, you can add honey according to your taste also. I am adding 4 teaspoon of honey. You can add more also. It's ready, kept in a freezer for about 4 to 5 hours. Now our mango kulfi, yogurt mango kulfi is ready. Wow, it's so beautiful. But remember one thing, please do try to use sweeter mango so that your kulfi is more sweet. Sprinkle some elaichi powder on it. It's quite optional. If you like my recipe, please like, share and comment, and do subscribe my channel. Thank you.